From analog.
Hi, Jim. You've great signal up here. You're 5.9 plus.
Digital.
We are everywhere you want to be. This is the CQ Blind Hams Podcast.
Hello everyone, this is Mike Zero Echo Bravo Papa with another Efficient Brief podcast, empowering blind people. Today I'm in the shack with a Windows 11 computer booted, running Chrome web browser, and my M1KE is just by the microphone there. And today I thought I'd show you how to configure AllStar. As I struggled for nearly a week to get this right, I thought it's not nice for people to struggle like that, and I thought I'd give you a walkthrough of how to do it. I'm using NVDA. Chrome seems to work reasonably well on the Mac, whereas Safari crashes. There's considerable differences between the different browsers and operating systems. I'm on the status page.
Status heading level 1.
And so I'm going to, I've moved to a profile which I've saved the AllStar settings just to make it easier, because some of the controls can be tricky to deal with and you need time, and this podcast is going to be less than 20 minutes. That's what I mean by efficient brief podcast. So I'm going to use NVDA F7.
Elements list dialog.
And
Tree view. SRF toggle menu. Connectors. Visited same page 4 of 26 level 0.
And I press C for connectors, and I'm going to press enter.
M1KE document. Heading level 1 status. List with 6 items. Connectors visited same page link.
And I'm going to press H for heading.
Connectors heading level 1.
And press H again.
IAX2/AllStar link heading level 2.
So there it tells us that the connector is configured as IAX2 AllStar. And I've come to the second heading. And just below this is where we need to go. Even though it's illogical, we need to put in our destination, even though we haven't told the machine where we want to start from. We start by telling it our destination. I'm going to just cursor down.
Mode. Radio button checked. AllStar link radio button not checked. IAX2.
So there's 2 radio buttons, and by default AllStar is selected, which is the first of the 2 radio buttons. And then when I cursor down again, we're going to land in an edit field, which, because it's set up with the parrot, is going to have the details for the parrot. And we need to delete these edit fields so that we can put in a new node number that we would like to connect to.
Server. Click here to select Edit Parrot plus Plano, TX, 55553.
So I'm going to press delete. I'm going to press tab.
Edit 55553.nodes.allstarlink.org.
And this is the second one, when we need to clear this too.
G. Blank, 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 blank.
That's it, it's empty. So we shift tab back to the previous edit field.
10,000. Edit blank.
NVDA is being quiet there.
Click here to select Edit selected Parrot plus Plano, TX, 55553.
And it's gone back to
blank. Unselected.
Now I type the node number that I want to connect to. So let's do 506 63111. Having typed 506311, we press enter and we tab forward.
Edit selected 506,311.nodes.allstarlink.org.
And it has filled that in the appropriate field, and we tab again.
Spin button editable selected 4569.
This is the port which is automatically selected according to the database listing for the node that you've selected. Now I'm going to tab down to where you put your credentials in for the node that you want to connect to the node we've just set up.
Add server button.
And we just navigate past these.
Remove button. Edit selected 521,783.
And that is the node number that I am using to connect to 506311.
Show link.
This is a show link. This is for your password. And I'm not going to show you my password.
Edit protected selected 12 bullet.
And there's 12 bullets in there.
Register as a node checkbox checked.
And this is where you navigate down to first after selecting the node that you want to reach. And you need to tick this box, and then the two edit fields we've just passed will become available to you, and you can fill in the details of the node that you wish to use. And there's just a few more controls down here.
Display all telemetry checkbox not checked. Edit selected 506,311.
Now if you've selected up above the node that you want to collect to, it's here as well in an edit field called remote node, and that's there too. And we've got a couple more presses for the save button.
Spin button editable selected 1. Save button.
And we just press enter on the save button. And we can
My connection is AllStar 506,311.
Professional prevaricators and prognosticators.
and there's Steve
But 89 today.
on blind
We
hams.
are waiting. We ordered
So
on
I'm
June
going to turn the mic one
we ordered
off.
a dehumidifier
Um,
from the A place. Where
or right down anyway.
it's supposed to be the most
Wrong one.
energy efficient.
There we go. So that's how you set up an AllStar node. First, put in the destination and clear the edit fields so that you can enter into the first one, the node number you want to connect to. Press enter, then navigate down to the tick box for register as a node. Tick that and then navigate shift tab upwards, and you'll come across the password field first, and then tip shift tab up for your node number, and then come down to the save button, and it will save those settings on the current active profile. Let's go over to the settings page, and I'll just show where you can copy one profile over another so that you don't have to start from scratch each time. Thus, if you set up the parrot as profile 1, which is the default profile when you first purchase the unit, you can copy that across to as many profiles as you wish, up to the 10 permitted, and just change the destination node that you wish to connect to. It makes AllStar connections easy. I'm going to bring up the NVDA elements list by pressing NVDA F7.
Elements list dialog. Tree view.
And-
Connectors. Visited same page.
And I'll press S.
Settings. Visited same page 6.
I'll press
M1KE
enter.
M1KE document. Visited same page link connectors. Settings visited same page. Configuration profile heading level 2.
This is where you can easily change profile, which Robert has already demonstrated.
Change active profile heading level 3. Change profile on timeout head. Profile names heading level. Copy heading level 3.
Now here's the copy, heading level 3, and I'll cursor down.
Source.
So source,
Click here to select edit for. Profile number 4.
and this will be the current active profile, and in this case it is profile number 4,
Destination.
and I cursor down and then NVDA said destination,
Click here to select edit 1. Profile number 1.
and press enter here.
10 results are available. Use up and down arrow keys to navigate. Click here to select edit selected 1. Profile number 1.
And you can cursor down as the instruction said.
1. Profile number 1, 2. Profile 3. 4. Profile 5. 6. 7. Profile number 7. 8. Profile number 8.
And I'll tab to the copy button
Copy button.
and press enter. And that has just copied profile 4 to copy 8. It hasn't changed the profile, it's just copied it. If I was to go up to the top of the page and switch profiles and go to profile number 8, we'll find that it's blind hams, the same as profile number 4. Enjoy using the mic from Shark RF, and that's all from me. Bye for now.
Don't forget to subscribe to this podcast and visit www.blindhams.com.